We discuss about financial issues in accounting. However, we discuss the next basic issues in accounting, like what is journal. Journal means any kind of transaction is classified in debit or credit format is called journalization. When any kind of account or head is classified in a head is called ledger. That is, if salary, all salary or salary based accounts accumulated in under salary account is called a salary ledger. If we pay electricity is under a ledger. If we pay capital in business is called capital account. So ledger means head of a accounts. However, after classification transaction in ledger, this ledger accumulated in a sheet or in a leaves of page is called trial balance, like daily trial balance, monthly trial balance, yearly trial balance in a financial organization or entity. However, from this information from trial balance used for thousands of reporting or many kinds of statement like profit and loss account or income statement, balance sheet, cash flow statement, owner's equity statement, etc. So we can find that transaction, journal, ledger, trial balance. From these basic issues is very important in accounting system. Today we discuss about how we can journalize the data. If we call purchase is debit. Any kind of depreciation is debit. Any kind of expenses, debit. Any kind of loss is called debit. Any kind of asset called debit. On the other hand, any payable, credit, any capital, credit, any receivable, payable is called credit. Any income called credit. Any liabilities called credit. So this generalized system is classified a systematic rules and regulation is called golden rules. For generalizing debit or credit system, you have to use golden rules. So we understand that golden rules is used for generalization in accounting. We discuss about in balance sheet some issues. What is capital? Capital means those kind of money owner brought another side from business. He may brought it from his own source or may lend from his wife, brother or family or outside or bank. So we can see that any money using for business is called capital, but it has some liabilities. So total asset less liability equal to owner's equity. That means in organization all asset accumulated used for business purpose. We see that asset is classified into two part. One part is fixed asset, another part is current asset. Current asset means which kinds of asset can be or or transfer or converted to cash within financial year, that is within 365 days. Another side, fixed asset means that kind of asset which is delayed for converting money for business purpose or any kinds of purpose. That means if any asset converted easily and short time is called asset. Another issues, fixed asset is means those kinds of asset which is delayed to convert money. Short term liability means short payable to short time. Long term liabilities means payable to long time. Within 1 year's payable is called short term liabilities. Within 5 or 20 years is called liabilities. Long term liabilities. Next, we can see that another two kinds of asset in a business. We see that some asset cannot be touchable and some asset is touchable, is called tangible asset, or not touchable asset is called intangible asset. So which kinds of asset not looking in the eye is called intangible asset. On the other hand, which kinds of asset can see to the eye is called tangible asset. So we for example say that goodwill, copyright, franchise is called intangible asset. On the other hand, any kind of asset which can see in the eye is called tangible, like building, motor car, etc. So we can find that asset and liabilities have two sides. On the other hand, in asset have many different. So we can finding that asset and properties, tangible asset, intangible asset, fixed asset, fixed asset, tangible asset. So we can define that what is asset. Asset is those kind of asset which is converted in cash very easily, like cash money, cash in hand, cash at bank, gold. On the other hand, fixed asset is which kinds of asset is convert to taka may time, like lending, selling land, selling building is long time required. Today we discuss many issues in accounting. I think it is profitable for them who hearing the lecture very beginning. Thank you very much. Assalamu alaikum.